Internet banking. Follow these 5 tips for secure internet banking. The account will never be hacked. Internet banking. The use of internet has become very common and it is difficult to imagine daily life without internet. Whether whether it's paying bill or transferring funds, taking out term deposit or loans, or even shopping online. All these things can be done easily through internet banking instead of going to the bank and waiting in long queues. Now all the work can be done with one click through internet banking. But care must be taken for internet banking. There is a risk of fraud and passing in net banking, which means that if your personal banking information is stolen, your hard earned money can go out of your hands for life. Today we are going to tell you 5 such smart tips which are required for internet banking. With the help of these types, you can do safe internet banking. Learn more about these types. Internet banking URL. It's safe to type your bank URL into the browser's address bar. Also avoid logging in by clicking on the link in the mail. Fraudsters often email link to fraudulent website which are similar to the original website of the bank, and if you put long details on such a website, these fraudsters can steal money by accessing your account. Make sure the URL is the official website of the bank. In addition, when you are not using a computer, you should disconnect it from the internet. Keep checking savings account. Check your savings account regularly. Another way to provide fund in internet banking is to make sure to check your account after transactions online. Check that the correct amount has been deducted from your account. If you find any dispensary in the amount, notice the bank immediately. Hackers often try to get your details without your knowledge. Therefore, it is important to be alert when detailing with bank. Check your savings account regularly. licensed antivirus software. Always your licensed antivirus software. Be sure to always use licensed antivirus software to protect your computer for any new virus. Pirate, uh, pirate versions of antivirus software may be free, but they will not protect your computer from new virus. In addition, update to the software from time to time. You are always receiving through notifications, so remember that if you want to keep your condition information safe, keep to the antivirus up to the date. Thank you.